Alrighty, how y'all doing? Came in yesterday, take a look at the furnace. We had a leak going downstairs. The downstairs unit. Furnace, condensation line clogged up. So, there's water here, water there, and water here. Like I said, everything is spilling downstairs. Right now what I'm about to do, I'm gonna take this hose off and then pressurize the line and clean it out entirely.
That's the rule. You out there sneaking, ain't that cool? Heartaches and heartbeats are moving on. Shaking off the funk, sing a new song. Crying on a Tuesday, but not for long. Moving to the rhythm, life goes on. Pack up your stuff.
See a few cartridges. All I do is just pressurize that line. Blow out anything that's clogging up.
Pain, feeling the groove, ain't going insane. Spreading my stuff, new love to gain. On to the next, no heart to heart.